Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while since I've uploaded anything. I have an Invidia R400 full catback exhaust to install on the STI today. Hope you guys like. Comparison of the exhaust surfaces, not exactly side by side, but here's the factory exhaust and the 3-inch Invidia R400. So I'm doing this by myself, so I'm going to I've already kind of loosely put this together so that way I can put it up and hang it, hopefully. And then I'm going to use the Grimspeed to stock adapter to tighten up the rest of this, and then we should be good. We're all done. I'm gonna do our first start up here. Had a little bit of extra time, so I decided to install the Bros rear fog or brake light. I was hoping it was just going to act as a fog light so I could use it just with the running lights, but I decided to install it without the flashing function, to just use it as a brake light for now. So appreciate you guys watching the video. Stay tuned for more, subscribe and hit that like button. See ya.